I would like to start my talk with a question. Have you ever been judged by someone, saying this is normal, this is not normal? By the so-called Auntie G's and Uncle G's coming to our homes and telling, Beta, take this stream, you'll get a normal life. Do you face this? Yes. But how do they say this? This is measured, this is normal, and this is not normal. Can it be measured? Really, if this is the case, instead of weighing machines, we would have had normality checking measures in our home. For everything, step on, step down, check whether you're normal or not. Yes, I was also judged. I was prejudged, saying, your sister has done this, you're going to do the same. Your sister is doing good in this college, you're going the same. My sister was my inspiration. She was going through a roadmap where she wanted to go. I just followed it, that's all, but I didn't think. But with her guidance, I took a turn where I want to be. And then I started what I want to do. There was an event in my college. Right before that event, my exams results were out. I was shocked to see my results. I had an arrear. That was my first failure. I was depressed. I was sobbing for the whole day. My eyes were swollen out. To everyone's surprise, the next day I went to the college with full passion and I hosted the whole event. And I gave my first technical presentation. Out of 200 participants, I got the first prize. Thank you. That is how. Then I decided I'll do what is normal to me. Then I started catching up with everything I love. I started participating in events. I started hosting shows. I started participating in conferences. That is how UIF came into my life. Even being a girl, I was judged. You're a girl. You're not supposed to do this. Being a girl, you can't stay in college after 6 o'clock. This is how I was judged on everything. With my family support and my confidence, I proved them wrong. A girl can do everything, what she's passionate about. I proved them wrong. Everywhere, from faculty, I was facing one question. You can perform only well when you're good in academics. But I wanted to prove them wrong. Yes, then where I failed, in the same college, I got the Academic Excellence Award for being a topper. And parallelly, I was a state finalist in a youth talk. There where I proved I can balance both academics and non-academics. I believe that actual learning happens outside the classroom, and I proved them wrong. It was not an end. I entered into the corporate life. I was first placed in my college, and I was the first one to leave the job too. Everyone started asking me, why did you leave the job? You'll not get a normal career. I was like, no. Why? Because they don't know what I faced in that 2 months. Lots of humiliation, criticism, just negativity around. But they don't know anything, which I didn't experience in my 20 years. I just experienced it in 2 months. But they were just questioning, you'll not get a normal career. But I started facing people. I said, I'll do what is normal for me. I'm a fighter, not a coward. I started facing people and I started doing what I love. And I'm going and I'm being a better person and I'm standing before you. See, it's all about perspectives. How we look different from outside, that is how we think different from inside. It is whom you want to think. It is you want to think what is normal and not normal for you. I decided for myself. Now I want to leave you with a question. How might you decide what's normal? Thank you.